Hello and welcome to Crypto Coders. In this video, we will be taking a look at Solana. It is one of the leaders in the crypto space, and I will be giving you my Elliot wave count of Solana on higher time frames as well as the immediate shorter time frames, and what I expect from Solana to do in the next bull market, the all-time high price targets. Let's go in the log scale. And here we can see that Solana made a very beautiful impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 waves up for our wave 1. And then A, B, and C correction for our regular zigzag. Let's label it. This was our wave 1, this was our wave 2, then we will go up for wave 3, 4 and 5. We'll take a look at these later. So let's go in the sub-wave count of this wave 2 here. I believe that this was our wave A. Let's label it again. This was our wave A, then 3 waves up for wave B, and then in the log scale we'll see it more clearly. 5 waves for our wave C. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in an ending diagonal. Let's just remove all of this. So yeah, this was my higher time frame count on Solana. Let's dive in towards this immediate short-term price action. I believe that the low for Solana was in at $8, and then from there we went up. We made an impulse, which is not complete yet, by the way. 1, 2, I believe that this was our wave 3, this was our wave 4, and now we are going up for a wave 5, which will break the high of wave 3. How high will this wave 5 go? I believe that we have a very strong resistance in this area. So we will get resistance here. This is also our historic point of interest. As you can see here, that we also had took support here between all of this area. In the past, this was our support. We also acted as support here, and the FTX capsulation unfortunately made us break this important support, and which will now act as resistance. Also, I believe that another important area of resistance would be the 88.7% fib level. Start from 0. And this 88.7% fib level, we will meet it here at $30.3. So yeah, this would be our main area. Let me just remove this and make it a bit more precise. This could be our area of, this is our area of strong resistance, and I believe this would end our first impulse here. After that, we should make our A, B, C or any other correction, A, B and C. Let me just make this here. And depending on where we complete our wave 5, our next point of entry in Solana. This right here should not be, you should not FOMO into Solana around here, because that would be the end of an impulse. And after that, we expect it to come down. So this would be our area to scale into Solana, somewhere between $19 and $12.8. These are flexible targets. It will depend on where our wave 5 will end. If it ends higher, the target area will move a bit higher as well. And this you can move it around depending on where the wave 5 will end. So yeah, this was my immediate analysis on the immediate price section. Let's see what my price target is for the next bull run for Solana. For our third wave, to measure the targets, we go to the low of wave 1 and to the high of wave 1 and to the low of wave 2, which was at $8. And let's make it 0, the start of wave 1. Okay. So our target for the third wave should ideally be $440, somewhere in this area between 200% fib extension to 161.8% fib extension. These are our targets for our wave 3. Then there will be a shallow retracement for a wave 4. It will depend on where this wave 3 ends. And after that, we should go even above this wave 3 and end our impulse at around $700. So yes, very extremely high targets for Solana. Certainly there are no certainties in this market. Solana could even die like any other big projects. I don't believe that Solana will die. It is a strong project, good team working behind it, and it should ideally at least break the previous all-time high and move in this area between $440 and $540 for our wave 3. And I would also like to show you a video I saw on YouTube. In this video, Raul Tal, he's a macro investor. He gave an interview in this YouTube channel, Altcoin Daily, and this was his price target for Solana.
Bitcoin gets, let's say, 120K to 150K this cycle. If Ethereum is getting close to 10K this cycle, Solana could maybe get it to what this cycle?
1,000.
Dare to dream. Dare to dream.
Maybe not. Maybe it's 500. Maybe it's back to the all-time high. Any of those are all great outcomes.
He's absolutely right. Any of those are very good outcomes. But according to my analysis, this is our target for our next all-time high, between 440 and 540. Then later, after our retracement, we can even go up to $700. So this was my update about Solana. If you liked the video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.